Hello and welcome to The Chosen Few, the one and only place for you. This is going to be a brief tutorial video on how to install the most recent version of Save version 1.3.0 and above onto your Windows PC. So this tutorial assumes that you either have a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 PC and that you have subscribed to us on Patreon. If you haven't done either of those things, I'll leave links in the description on how to get started with those below. But without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is visit the Chosen Few software website and click this Login with Patreon button. We can simply allow those permissions and then head on over to the Save product page. So here it is. And so long as you're subscribed as either Supporter Plus or a Partner Tier patron, you can download the most recent version of Save, as you can see right here. So we're going to make sure that Windows is selected, and we're going to click that save.core.main tool link. So now we're going to open that up and extract all. And we're going to extract it somewhere to our Documents folder. You can, of course, extract it wherever you like, but this is where I'm choosing to do it. So then we're going to open a terminal up in this folder. If you're a Windows 10 user of Save, you may find that you can't access the Open Terminal option in the File Explorer. If this happens to you, simply go to the File tab in the correct folder, go to Open Windows PowerShell, and then click Open Windows PowerShell as administrator. This should allow you to run the appropriate commands in the correct directory. On the benefits page, we will find our license key. You can simply copy that to your clipboard, and we're going to type in the terminal window that we opened just now, save.core.maintool.exe, and we're going to paste in that license key. So there we go. We were able to run the license activation command successfully. And we're going to go ahead and run the executable to see what the next step is. So as we can see here, it's complaining that the specified FFmpeg directory does not exist. So to fix this issue, we need to install FFmpeg. There's a few different ways that you can do this, but my favorite way is to head on over to gyan.dev, go to Builds, and we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this winget install FFmpeg shared. And we're going to simply go ahead and run this in our Windows PowerShell terminal. We're going to agree to the license agreements, and it will automatically download and install FFmpeg for us. Additionally, on Windows 10, you may find that the winget command returns in an error. If this happens to you, simply go to the page I've linked down in the description to the Microsoft documentation, where you can copy this command here at the top of the page, and then paste it into a terminal prompt. This will ensure that winget is installed upon reboot. So we run this command, it does its thing, and then we go ahead and reboot the machine before continuing. There we go. So we can close out of this terminal window now, and we'll run another one once again, and rerun the main tool command. So as you can see, we have now been able to successfully run Save, and we have access to all of its program features.